Distinguished guests, panelists, speakers, and my colleagues. It is with great pleasure I welcome you all here for the very first International Conference of Art, Architecture, Design, and Creative Expressions organized by Rishihood University. As the Dean School of Creativity of this esteemed institution, I'm honored to have you all today and to address this esteemed gathering of academicians, researchers, innovators, designers, and practitioners. This conference will be an annual event for us and is based on the theme identity. So why identity? We did a lot of contemplation and deliberation before we finalized on this theme. As we all know, creativity is very, very innate to humans. It's that integral part which we see in everyday lives. Creativity has the power to innovate, to find those solutions which are important to address the global grand challenges. So creativity, again, was prime for us. Now, secondly, when we chose identity, we see that, creativity gives us this expression where we tap our inner self. When we tap our inner self, we also explore what we are, who we are, right? So we have to find that identity of who we are, where do we belong? And if we tap this identity, we become a better self, and thereby we can create an impact for the outer world. Secondly, the thought was that there's a lot of intersection between technology, society, and power. So how do we change the dynamics of design with seeing this intersection, technological progression? So basically from an innovation of fire, maybe from internet to the new metaverse or the artificial intelligence, how do we identify ourselves? What is that I which we want to address? So this platform is basically a opportunity to explore, debate, bring all the like-minded people and see that what more we can get into. So I believe this conference will give us that platform and then define those identities for the future. So once again, I welcome you all for this constructive, fruitful discussion, and I truly hope the conference will bring some great takeaways and will be enjoyable experience for all of you. On this note, I welcome everyone.